Jacqueline here again. Welcome to my channel. I'm the founder of Wax+Wraps, your African print subscription box. Welcome to this special edition where I'm bringing you a special Christmas box, limited edition Christmas box. It's Christmas! So the big question is, aside from, are you actually ready for Christmas? The big question is, shall we see what's inside? Yeah, you ready? Here we go. Alrighty, okay, so Christmas it is. Now this box is a special box. It's got its own print in the beautiful popular print called the Nsubra. The Nsubra, this is like a disc print, or some call it the records print, and it's a very popular print within African within wax print. So you can see this special edition box has been done specifically for our Christmas limited edition, special edition box. Now this is something you can give to friends, family, loved ones, or just be selfish and keep it for yourself. Why not? But inside you're going to see so many little goodies that you can have fun with straight away. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. So first of all, when you get your box, you're going to have a special label inside there that you have. A label inside, it tells you the different things that are in there. These will be tips when you get them to make sure that you can check back that your products are still inside. So now here it comes. First of all, a little special something from me to you, just to say Happy Christmas. Kente, of course. Let me unbox. Oh, so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how beautiful does this look? I mean, where do you start? All right, let's start with the fabrics. I think that's where most people just want to get right into. So you're going to have two lots of fabrics. You have 2 yards of this beautiful pink and blue. It's very feminine. It's 100% cotton, quality print coming straight from West Africa from our suppliers there. You're going to have access to that, and that's 2 yards of that. And then you're going to also get a yard of this green. You're going to get a yard of this green fabric. Now this one is just so beautiful. It's like geometric. It's got a little retro feel, but it's a nice contrast to the pink one. So if you're thinking of doing some special cushions to make for a family friend for Christmas, you see the kind of things you could be doing. I would do something like that. Then you could even make a blouse for yourself in this. So you've got a gift for someone and something for yourself. How about that? So that's the fabrics you're going to get. You're going to get a paper pattern inside there with some interesting things, but I'll let you see that when you get your box. Okay, I don't want to spoil everything now. That's over there. And then for this, as part of the sewing kit, you're going to get some threads that will go with your kits. Okay, so there's some threads there for you, and they come so you can sew up. You can sew your items there, so you have matching threads for that. And matching threads for that. Okay, so go and have fun with that. So this is just really, that part's really for you. Now the rest you can keep, or you can give it away. Now the next piece. So already there you've got five pieces inside there. The next piece you're going to get is a notebook. Now these are going to come in, there's so many different prints of these. Everyone's going to get something unique and special just for them. Okay, everyone's going to have a different color and a different print. So you're going to, but all the fabrics will be the same. So this now, here's for example another print from the same company. So it depends. You're going to get something beautiful. That's the main thing. That you can put notes in there. It's all been done in Tanzania. These little notebooks from a company called Nima Crafts. And I mean, come on, who doesn't need a notebook, and who wouldn't like to have a little African print notebook? So that's going to be my gift to you there. Okay, this one now, our friends in Kenya. As you see, I use it as a nice little storage for the threads, and you can put jewelry in there. You can put so many different things in there. So how does that look? These have been made in Kenya by artisans, and they even hand beaded these details on. I mean, This is so, so cute. Look at that. It's been hand woven and then it's been hand beaded by our friends in Kenya. That itself is a beautiful little item to have, or gift it to a friend. Also made in Kenya is a necklace. Now this one, I mean, how lovely is that? It's got the clasp there, so you can wear that around your neck and secure it. And this has all been hand beaded as well. So if you're excited about jewelry, or you want something to brighten up your wardrobe, this necklace is going to be a great addition to anyone's wardrobe. Gift it to your friend, your daughter, your cousin, your auntie, your bestie. Keep it for yourself, but this one is going to be a beautiful piece just for you. And then we keep going. You're going to get a matching Wax and Wraps matching Ankara or wax print pencil, and these are our special ones that we're doing to match our box today. So you can see this is matching the print of the box. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So you can go and make your patterns, put it into your notebook, and take your notes in your notebook about everything that you want to see happening for the new year. How about that? Diary your life with this. It's all about journaling. And you know, in light of the situation we're in right now, how about a wax print mask? That's going to be for you. These have been handmade as well. Simple design, so you can have an extra edition of mask for your everyday walk. Okay, so that's a nice piece. Keep it yourself, gift it to somebody. That's going to be a great addition. And then last but not least, probably one of my favorite pieces now. Come on now. Who doesn't like this? Now, these are coming in all different kind of prints, and here we go. Oh my gosh. That alone is enough to have got the box for. If you haven't got this box yet and you're in time at the time of this watching this video, you have not missed the deadline, then this is something to get. If you're watching this and you have missed the deadline, I'm so sorry, but do know a little information that I am bringing you a Africa culture box that is on our website. It will be launching for January 2021. So you can kind of guess by the timelines if you can get the Christmas box or if you have to get the January Africa culture box, and these will be in there. All different prints and whatever, but this is a gorgeous one. So there you go. You see, you've got the fan, you've got the mask, you've got the notebook, you've got the Kenya necklace. So these are from Ghana, these are from Tanzania, these are from Kenya. The beaded basket from Kenya, the threads inside there, the fabrics from Ghana and Togo, and your paper pattern. So let's go and have fun with print, everyone. Are you ready? Great stuff. See you in the next video. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this box, and I know that you're going to love it too. So that's the thing. You have till Cyber Monday to get your hands on our Christmas box. It's a special limited edition box. All you need to do is go to our website. That's www.waxandwraps.com, and then you'll see the box straight there for you to go and pick. Choose one, choose two, it's up to you, but make sure to get your hands on our Wax and Wraps Christmas special limited edition box. So do make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video, and have fun with print.